This week, we will see how to select a list of non-compartmental analysis parameters to compute in PKanalix. In the NCA settings, there is now a section called Parameters to Compute, where the full list of available parameters is shown on the left, and the parameters that will actually be computed and displayed in the result is on the right. When opening PKanalix, this small list of parameters is selected by default. It can be easily modified by sliding parameters that you don't need on the left, like this, or adding some parameters to compute by moving them from the left list to the right, like this. Double-clicking on a parameter also moves it from one list to the other. The list of available parameters is updated depending on the type of data. For example, the apparent clearance CLFOPS for extravascular data becomes CLOPS for intravenous data. Now, when I run the NCA task, only the selected parameters are displayed in the results, in the table of individual parameters, where we also have the covariate values, in the summary table, as well as in the plots. If I select one or several partial AUC times, then the parameters corresponding to these partial AUC times do not have to be selected here, but are always computed and displayed in the results. So you get the AUC on this interval, the AUC divided by the dose, and also the average concentration on the same interval. In the same way, flags corresponding to selected acceptance criteria are always included in the results. For example, if I add acceptance criteria for the value of adjusted R-square and the percentage of extrapolated AUC, after running the NCA, I will get two additional columns containing the flag for each. I can also modify the list of parameters selected by default in the preferences of the software. After modifying these preferences, these are the parameters that I will first see in the list of parameters to compute on the right the next time I open PKanalix. That way, you can personalize PKanalix with the list of parameters you usually need. Remember that all the non-compartmental analysis parameters are documented online. See you next week!